I was asked to make a video to visualize improper fraction to mixed fraction. So if we look at 11 by 3, so that is 11 1 by 3 pieces. So 1 by 3 looks like that. So 11 of that. So every 3 of 1/3 will make a whole. So that becomes a whole, right? So I have used up 3 by 3. So same way if I keep going, so I come up to 2, which is 6 by 3. Nine by 3. So I have 9 by 3, which has given me 3 holes, and in addition to that I have 2 more pieces of 1 by 3, which is a 2 by 3, right? So this is what you do when you do a division in which there is a remainder. So if you do dividing by 3, 11, you will do 3 3s are 9 and 2 is a remainder. Okay? So these 3 holes and what is remaining, what kind? 1 by 3s, 2 of 1 by 3s. So 3 holes and 2 of 1 by 3s, right? So this is why your 11 by 3, which is an improper fraction, you are converting using this regular division that you do, long division that you call it. This is being used to convert it into 3 2 by 3s. Now this has 2 3s, I hope that's not confusing. Let's take 11 by 4. So if I do 11 by 4, so I'm using 4 and I'm dividing 11. Okay, so here you get 4 2s are 8, 3 is left. Yeah, so in this case there are 2 holes, 3 pieces left of kind by 4. Okay, now all the numbers are different, 2 3 4. So I hope this is clear and there's no confusion. So this is how we are converting an improper fraction into how many fulls are there, holes are there, and how many are left. Obviously you can't convert a proper fraction into a mixed fraction, because in a proper fraction you have less than a whole. So you are only converting an improper fraction, that is more than a whole, into how many holes and what is the fraction that is left. That's all it is, to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Going the other way, you are basically asking, if I have a whole, so if I have 3 by 4, I have 2 holes and I have 3 by 4, how many 1 by 4s will be there in those 2 holes? This is the 3 by 4, right? So how many 1/4ths will be there in these holes? This will have 4, this will have 4, that's 8. So 11 by 4. Right? So this is how you are converting back mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And of course the easiest way to do it, which is the part that children usually are told, is that you multiply these two and then you add that. But they should know why you are multiplying these two and you are adding that. You are multiplying these two because in each hole you will have 4 pieces. But if you divide it into 4 pieces, you will have 4 such pieces. In the second hole also, complete circle also, you will have 4 pieces. So 4 plus 4, which is multiplication, and then you add the additional pieces. So I hope that clarifies the relationship between improper fraction and mixed fraction and how to convert from one to the other.